Hi, I'm Isabella. I am a macrame artist and tutor. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the barrel knot. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To make the barrel knot, you will need one string and create a loop. Then go 3 times around your loop and gently pull. To show you again, create a loop. Then go 3 times around your loop and gently pull. For more macrame techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.